and good afternoon. My name is Felicity Hunter and I'm from Techno Feeds. Techno Feeds is a livestock feed and animal supplement company. We started in 2007 where really we found that the director of Techno Feeds, who is a farmer himself, he's a cattle and a sheep farmer, he found that the supplements that he required for to give his animals the full to reach their full capabilities and to make his farming practice profitable. He was finding that the supplements really were not available, or the ones that were available weren't suitable for our environment. So what he did was he tested the grass and the soil in Botswana, and he also tested the livers of the livestock that he had. Now the livers of the animal really show you the nutritional background. They'll give you what's lacking in the grass, and he really designed supplements to suit his animals, and that's really how Techno Feeds was born. So it was born out of a need for the farming environment, the livestock community in Botswana really needing a product that was made locally for our environment. And we're very proud at Techno Feeds that we use all the modern science and technology to work with the farmers of Botswana. And we work with farmers from, if a communal farmer with 10 cattle right up to some of those commercial farmers around the country. Every single farmer in Botswana is important to us, and we really feel strongly about building a long-term relationship with those farmers. We want their children, their grandchildren still to be breeding profitable animals and still using Techno Feeds products. We very much specialize in supplements. We believe that less is more. So we also believe in utilizing the grass. There is actually plenty of grass in Botswana. Grass is free. It's given to us. It's God-given to us. So it's a matter. And animals most livestock are ruminants. So they're naturally built to digest and eat grass. And with the correct supplement, what we're doing is enabling that rumen to work to its full functionality and allowing the farmer to be profitable. So I think the other thing that where Techno Feeds I think really stands out as a feed company in the world, I would actually like to say, is that we're incredibly innovative, and we've come up with supplements such as Vaspite 209, which are supplements that actually we are the only company in the world that is making supplements such as these, that does we really look at the way that a rumen works, which is the rumen is the stomach in a ruminant, in a sheep, a cow or a goat, that allows it to digest roughage and grass. And what we really want to do is to allow those animals to gain weight, and it's that symbiosis of grass and those minerals and supplements and the actual stomach of the animal that allows them to gain weight. What we are finding is some farmers from South Africa and Namibia are coming and buying from us as individuals. And what we've realized is that a lot of these farmers in South Africa and in particularly in Namibia, where they also live in a very much same environment and conditions as us, is that they are really interested in the Techno Feeds products, and they're seeing that they're working, and that we're getting and especially from a commercial point of view, that we're getting the profitability that the farming industry really should have and needs. So we've started already to test the soil and the grass and things like that in Namibia and in certain parts of South Africa. So we're very close to actually to start to export, yes. I think at the moment we want to focus on one customer at a time, one country at a time. We work very closely with the farmers, and we'd like to keep that very much as a part of the Techno Feeds philosophy, that we work individually with farmers. So I think we need to start with Namibia, we need to start with South Africa before we spread our wings any further, so we can actually give the service that we say that we do give. And I think for Techno Feeds, BITC has been absolutely invaluable in our journey towards the export market. I think that to start with, we were very much a small company. We run with a family philosophy, and I think BITC has really helped us to grow and to move with the right direction and with the right channels towards exporting, including helping us, assisting us with our marketing, and going through all the different channels that you need to, the export requirements, all of that kind of thing. I think with BITC has been absolutely invaluable. We really couldn't have done that without them. As I said, one of the things that we're also waiting on at the moment is we're very close to getting our ISO 2015 certification, which is an international certification, which means our products will be recognized worldwide, anywhere in the world. And I think it's really important that we have that certification before we actually start exporting. So yes, I think a very big thank you to BITC.